evil, all just found evil. What's up, guys? Allier here. Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Konner. I am Konner, and you are cooking with me. And today, it is 12:55 p.m. or it'll be a.m. Yeah, so it's basically 12:55 at night. All right, that's why we're speaking quietly. There's people sleeping, and as you can see, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm actually at this guy's house.
Yeah, bro.
And if you don't remember, this is Memphis.
They were making bread.
So here we are at the first step, and for this first step, we're gonna be putting pretty much every single thing into this single bowl. And this bowl works with the KitchenAid mixer. And then once we do that, we got some more steps, but let's first put the things in the things. Alright, so Memphis is gonna pour the 3 cups of flour inside of this bowl. Alright, do what you want. Yeah, you were gonna pour that right in there. Nice. We're gonna get flame, bro. Alright, now pour this 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of salt, inside the 3 cups of flour. Okay, so the salt is in. It took 2 tries. Now we're gonna be putting in the 3 teaspoons of
sugar.
Nicely done, sir. Last but not least, everyone, we're gonna put in the 3 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Well done. Alright, boys and girls. Now that we put all those ingredients in that bowl, we're gonna be putting it on our KitchenAid mixer. We're gonna twist it to lock it in. Perfect. Now we're gonna put it in the thing and start stirring it. Alright guys, so that right there is mixing in all of that ingredients. And then right now, we are going to be doing more things. So now, we have this 1 cup of warm water. And we're going to be pouring it in this KitchenAid mixer bowl with all the ingredients it's stirred in. And we're going to kind of pour it in slowly whilst it's being mixed. So I'm going to have my assistant Memphis pour this in whilst it's getting mixed. Now the water is softened, and we're gonna insert it into the bowl of stuff. So Memphis, insert the cubed. Okay guys, so once everything's mixed in, we're gonna be basically maneuvering the dough with our hands. First starting to put flour on our spot in which we are going to be maneuvering with the hands, just so it doesn't stick. Alright guys, so once this is in a nice ball, we're going to be getting some sort of cloth and we're going to be covering it for approximately 15 minutes. So guys, we were waiting our 15 minutes, and I was just cleaning some dishes, and I know it's Memphis just playing with this egg that we're gonna use for later. And I'm like, dude, put that egg down, you're gonna break it. And he's like, no, I'm not. I'm like, bruh, Literally 2 minutes later after that conversation, man really dropped the egg on the ground. And we're really out here not trying to make a mess. Alright guys, so 15 minutes has passed, alright? And we're gonna lift it up. Apparently, that makes it rise. So once it has risen like huge and nice, we're gonna wanna just cut it in half. We're gonna take it and we're gonna like make it long. We have these long strips, and what Memphis is gonna do is he's gonna kind of like
intertwine them,
kind of make it look like a braid. magic from within me. I will now summon the bread pan. So this is what we're gonna put in the bread in. Okay, so we're gonna be just taking this bread, put it in. Right, so Memphis is gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius, because we're in America. All right, and now we're pretty much on the final step, like I said earlier, but now Memphis is gonna be cracking an egg. We already know he's professional at cracking eggs, especially in places he's not supposed to. Boom, boom. So he's gonna break it inside of this bowl. All right, so put in this egg. We are gonna be taking this little brush and brushing the egg paste on here. And what this is going to do is basically make it nice. Alright, boys and girls, we're gonna be inserting this here bread inside this here 350 degree heated oven for 30 minutes. Ooh. Ooh. Thank you for watching Cooking with Konner. And remember to keep on cooking.